Michael Jaafar is with us. He's at Detroit, Michigan. And Michael, the defense here is you got the wrong guy. The state says we have DNA. The defense said there were a lot of people that came and went in this condo over a period of time. And we did hear in the cross-examination that she had given keys to her place to many, a handful of friends, listed off this person, this person, this person. It kind of falls into the defense case here, and I was wondering what the defense was really going to get out of Mom. How do you think they're doing here in terms of they're being respectful, but also pulling some things out that they want the jury to be exposed to?
What you saw with that defense attorney is the conversation behind the scenes between him and his client was probably something like this. Look, we have to look like empathetic. We have a difficult challenge here. If we come out here bombastically and we shred this woman's testimony, it's not going to help you. It's going to hurt you. So we have to be nice. She lost her daughter. At the end of the day, she could be the best mom in the world, the worst mom in the world. It doesn't matter. She still lost a kid, a minor, right? So we have to go in there and we have to be very cautious in the way we question her. And all we want to do is we want to establish reasonable doubt that you did this. And our job is going to be a lot easier than most of the other defendants we've defended, because this is several decades old, right? At that time, there were no smartwatches. Nobody could watch your movements. Nobody could call, Verizon and find out how many times you've moved in and out, how close you were to her house. There is just no evidence other than some anecdotal evidence. So they were trying to establish reasonable doubt. I think they did a really good job at it. This is a very jarring case. Anytime you deal with a situation where you're defending somebody who is accused of killing a minor, you're a lawyer, but you're also a human being. So these attorneys, I don't know, obviously, if they know the truth. They might not. But at the end of the day, they have a difficult job. They were doing it right now. They were doing it very well. They were just trying to establish reasonable doubt with their questioning. And I think they did a great job. It's off to a really good start for the defense.